Just listen. I think it's the toads. I think it's frogs and toads. Listen to that sound. Listen to that noise. It's not man-made. It's not man-made. It's completely natural as far as I know. Just like the birds. You know, just like the fish splashing in the rivers and the lakes. Just like the sound of a man walking on grass barefoot or climbing in the trees. That's a sound. That's a beautiful sound. I like it with crickets because it's nice to it by itself. Frogs or toads, something. Listen. Sounds like they're singing for me. Damn cars coming by. Alright, 15 more seconds. Sounds like they're singing